In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a front bumper bracket on a Jeep Cherokee. It's located behind the front bumper. As you move underneath the vehicle, you're going to have to take this splash shield off. It's held on by 9 10mm bolts. After opening your hood of your vehicle, you're going to have to remove this big panel here. There are 12 of these two-piece clips. Lift up, pull that up, and then your second piece, and that's your two-piece clip. Once you've removed all those clips, you can lift your panel straight up, put it off to the side. You have two 10mm bolts here and here for the front bumper. Now behind these two that we just took out, right to the right of those, are two more 10mm bolts, right here and right here. And then right below that one, there's another 10mm here. And then repeat those steps on your other side. You want to raise and support your vehicle safely. You want to take out these 5 19mm bolts. They are not lug nuts. I'm going to put this back in by hand a little bit so the wheel doesn't fall off when you take that fifth one out. And there you have it. And now we're in our inner wheel well. We have 3 8mm bolts. Need to remove those. Now you need to remove this flare. Just take your tool, pry outwards, take your wheel liner, pull it out to get access to the back side of this piece here. You want to pull that off your fender. It's your plastic tool, pry outwards towards you. You want to unplug this plug, which plugs in all your fog lights and headlights. So you want to unplug that first before you remove the bumper. Take your plug, push it down, pull it towards you. Now you have one 10mm up here. Do all these steps on your other side. The only thing on the other side, you're not going to have this connector. There's no connector on the other side. Take your hands, pull out your bumper towards you, unclip it underneath the light here. Just pull it straight out. Pop this side out. You can grab the bumper from the middle, just come straight out, and put your bumper off to the side. Before you take your bumper bracket off, you want to untwist your hood adjustment. After removing the hood adjustment, there should be a bolt here. Mine does not have that bolt, but you will have a bolt that goes into this clip. Lift it off the bottom, swing it off the top. You need to transfer these clips from your old bumper bracket to your new one. There are 5 of them. Just lift up on the tab here. Slide down, and they'll pop off. Take the clips, slide it onto the new bumper bracket, clip them in. After you remove your clips, you have your hood adjustment insulator here. You have to transfer that, push down, and that pops right out. Take that, pop it in, wait for the click. These go in top first. You have your two plastic tabs. Stick them through the hole, then come down to your bottom, pull down, and clip it in. Now you install your hood adjustment. There should be a bolt here. Mine does not have that bolt, but you will have a bolt that goes into this clip. Take your front bumper, slide it up top. You have 2 pin holes and 2 pins. You want to line those up. Once you get your bumper up into place, you can start a top bolt here. That'll help hold the bumper up for you so you don't have to hold it and try to put it on at the same time. Now you can go around and install your clips here. Make sure it's in your groove. Remove your side piece here. Push it on. Let it click in. And you can do that on both sides. Install your lower 8mm here. That bolt down there, that's the one that's just to the right of the headlight. Got one in here. It's just beside the headlight too. And then tighten them down. Do the same for the other side. Now you can install your plastic piece that goes over your top of your radiator. Now install your push clips. These are 2-piece. Put your bottom section in first, then your top, and continue with the rest. Make sure that's nice and secure. Now you can plug in your connector in your left fender well. Make sure that's nice and seated. Put your 8mm bolt in for your fender. Tighten that up. Tuck that up. Make sure it's tucked behind your wheel arch molding. Make sure that's clipped in. Put your 3 8mm bolts in. Snug those up. And do the same thing on the other side. And for your reinstall, line up your holes. Put these in by hand so you don't cross thread. And give them a snug. Now that we have our wheels back on the ground, we're going to torque these at 100 foot-pounds in a crisscross manner. And do the same thing on the other side. Now install your cover.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.